So hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have this brand new Bburago F1 diecast model in 164 scale of the Scuderia Ferrari SF25 with the number 16 representing Charles Leclerc. And finally Bburago has entered the 164 scale as well, I guess to rival Hot Wheels premium F1 castings. And from a design only perspective, the Bburago models are clearly better than the Hot Wheels, but unfortunately it misses the driver helmets which is included in the Hot Wheels. So there's always pros and cons of every brand. So anyways, let's uncard this and check it out. So here we have the model and let's see this up close. Alright, so the front wing is really well detailed with all the sponsors clearly visible. The nose section looks good as well, and the driver number 16 looks great representing Charles Leclerc, and the shell logo and even the halo looks good. So here we don't get the driver helmet like in the Hot Wheels premium ones. Again, clear decals on the side view and the HP branding on the engine air intake looks good. The rear wing is plastic, and by the way, I think the entire model like doesn't give that feel of weight in it. It feels more closer to a plastic model than a die cast, I would say. Wheels look rubber, but they are like sort of hard rubber. And this is the Pirelli P0 medium compound tires. The base looks good, but it's entirely plastic, I guess. And now let's see how it rolls. It rolls alright. So let's see this from different angles now. So this was the new Bburago 2025 F1 model in 164 scale of the Scuderia Ferrari SF25, car number 16 for Charles Leclerc. And now let's wait and see the entire Bburago F1 2025 lineup when it eventually releases. Right now the Red Bull, McLaren, Ferrari and Mercedes have been released in this first set of Bburago 164 scale. So eventually we will get all the teams. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about this particular Bburago model and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. Thank you.